Chorus Cloud connects you with your car and to your digital world. Wherever you are, you can be guided by relevant information, keep a check on your car, and share special experiences with your friends, all with a touch of your finger. Now, let me show you how Chorus Cloud makes all this possible. Mike has only recently moved to Shanghai, so everything is still fresh and exciting. This evening, he wants to explore the incredible city in his new Chorus. Mike decides to follow other users' recommendations and check out a new bar on the Bund. But how to get there? Where to park? And what is there to see? While still at home, he plans the trip on Chorus Cloud. As soon as he starts his car, the route is already showing on the Chorus screen. The display tells him he should be arriving at the Bund just in time for sunset over the Huangpu River. As he gets closer to his destination, Mike gets selected information about other places he might like, such as shops in Nanjing Road and bars along the Bund, along with reviews from other visitors. Above all, Mike appreciates the display of available parking spaces near the bar. This is just the information he needs in this busy part of the city. Nothing more, nothing less. And once Mike has left his car, his Chorus Cloud app guides him the final block or two to his final destination. The app also reminds him where he's parked. Sitting in the bar with a view of Pudong, it seems to Mike that he's driven through this unimaginably huge and complicated city as if he's been guided by a local, just like an insider.